Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Sharon. Sharon, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. Now she requested a Halloween themed sticker or spread. So I'm going to use the new Happy Halloween sticker book from Kellofaplan. Love this book. And I'm going to make her a spread from this one with this super adorable, I love this section right here. So good. So I think I have everything I need for a spread, but I do need to grab some washi. So let me go do that first, and then I can get started on this spread. My washi isn't by my on my desk anymore, so I always forget to grab it for a spread, but now I have it. And I love this scalloped washi from Planything. Probably going to incorporate some of this, and I think this would be fun to put in here. It's like spotty dotty looking one. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. First, let me put some boxes down. And these are so good. So I love this sidebar kind of sticker here. And I grabbed the week of Halloween. Yes, I did. Okay. So this is just gonna go right on the side. Perfect. Okay, I love that it has like the little bats there. Let me put some washi down. I'm thinking, I love purple. I love purple with the Halloween theme. So I'm gonna add some purple. And I'm on the top. I think I might do the top one color and then the bottom another color. Yeah. Okay, so some here. Let's see, what other color? I guess I'll do pink because that's the only other color. Yeah, I'm gonna do pink. This light pink. I'm gonna go all the way across. Okay, some there and then some here. And then I'm gonna incorporate some of this on the spread. Like maybe layered on boxes would be cool. I haven't done that in a while, like layering washi on boxes. I always just been sticking to top and bottom with washi, but I think I should bring in this in a different way. Okay, so on the side, I want to do a double box. I want to layer it with this because I really like these little additions that she added. So we'll put this here, get some spider webs. I love this one. That is so cute. Let's put that here. Maybe over here. Okay, let me put this down first. So this is gonna go here. And then I'm gonna put this here. I love that. Adorable. I'm gonna get some decorative elements on here because I have tons of cuteness to add. I really like this little cupcake guy. Actually, I'm gonna add this cake with the bats. Okay, I definitely want to add the cauldron. Cauldron will go here. And then, okay, a little ghosty. This one. That kitty one is definitely going on the page. I love all the kitty elements. Okay, maybe I'll put it here. And I'm actually gonna white it out. I don't see it going through the ghost. I feel like I shouldn't see it going through the ghost, the lines. Oops, I went too high. Oh, that's fine. Okay, I'll do, just to cover that up, I'm gonna put some little sparkly bits. Let's do this size. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna get some boxes on the spread. I've got lots of options here. So let's see, what color do I want? Let's do purple. Purple? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do a purple over here. And a black. And then I can add some bullet points. I'm gonna do orange. Look how quick this came together. I love when a book has all the elements I need for a spread. It just makes it so easy to just make a spread come together so quickly, which I really appreciate because sometimes you don't want to spend too much. I remember back in the day, I used to spend like an hour just on my spread, just on decorating a spread, which is kind of crazy, but it took me a long time to make a spread. And then even when I started filming videos, like Plan With Me's, they would take forever. I would have to edit so much out, like stop filming, then start recording again. Like it was just so much. Okay, so I'm adding this washi because I think it's cute. But yeah, now I've gotten a lot quicker, but it also helps that a lot of these books have all the stickers that I need, all the elements that I like to add into a spread. That really helps out a lot. Okay, kind of want to add some here. Maybe I'll just add it just coming across the page a little bit. Actually, that works. It's different, but I like it. How cute is that side? Love it. All right, now onto this side. I might add in a couple other elements, but for now, this looks pretty good. And then let me go back to this page. Okay, definitely want to add in like one of these like layered boxes over here on this side. And I really like this one with the bats and the rainbows. So we'll do this one. I'm gonna grab, let's see, boxes to have. These are all plain, so let me do, okay, I want to do this one. So it's gonna be pink. Or should I do orange? I'm gonna do orange actually. Orange on orange, no. Pink. Go back to pink. Okay, I'm gonna put this one up here. And then layer this on top. Oops. Just so you can see like a little bit of them there. And then let me grab this one. This one's gonna go here. Perfect. Okay, now boxes. I'm gonna just scatter some of these around the spread before I put down more stickers, more of the cute stickers. Okay, to the cute stickers. I think I want to add, okay, that little kitty ghost. I'll put him there. I like the ghosts because I don't have to put them perfectly because they're just like ghosts and they're just, you know, doing their thing. Don't have to be straight, so that's good. Let's do this little cupcake. So I really like this cupcake. Okay, little sparkly bits. And bats. So I got a lot of bats on this side. I'm gonna add some bats over here actually. Let's do one here. Okay. Let's see. So I got this page too. Probably need another box. Let's see what color am I lacking over here. Let's do orange. Okay, then I can put something here. I think I want to do, it's kind of a lot of orange. Okay. I'll do this like little apple. Get some pink over here. I have some spider webs I can stick on the spread. I'm gonna try to just use this page because I think I might get away with just using this page for this spread. There's a lot of good stickers over here. Okay, this spider web I can stick there. I have more bats. Do I want to put more bats? I guess I could. Okay. Another bat. Oh, I need to put the washi, like how I did over here, because I really like that little addition. So I definitely gotta do that over here. So add some on this box. Just kind of rip it. And then on this box. Oh, and bullet points. And then I can find some quotes. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little strip here. And a little bit here. Okay, that works. Okay, bullet points. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do this little magic potion. Magic potion here. And okay, bullet points. I'm gonna do black. Oh, I didn't add black box over here. Hold on. Really don't have room for a black box. Okay, I'll just do the black bullet points. I think that should be fine. 2 over here. All right, this book does also have quotes. So cute. Yeah, it has quotes in the back. All right, so which one? Let's do Witch's Brew. Over here. And I'm gonna do Scary. It's got a bat with it. I don't like it there. Okay. It looks good. I'm gonna just double check another book that I have, maybe for some headers. Okay, I'm gonna grab these little headers because they're purple, so I'm gonna put to do over here, And then I have tasks, just to get some headers on this spread. Or little like words. Tasks and tasks. Okay, that's gonna be the spread. All right, so Sharon, I hope you like your spread. I really love how this one turned out. It's super adorable. But yeah, I hope you like how this spread turned out for you, and I hope you all liked watching me create this spread for Sharon. If you're interested in purchasing this book, because there's still time to decorate, if you know, like decorating, at least for Halloween week, a Halloween spread, there's amazing stickers in here, and as you can see, comes together super easy, super quick. So happy with how that turned out. But that is Happy Halloween sticker book from Kellofaplan, which I have Kellofaplan's my affiliate link for Kellofaplan down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. But yeah, that's gonna be my spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.